Now, does anybody know of one Drake song that I can insert right here? Anybody? Any song? Won't get flagged? I'm just trying to figure out. What's up, y'all? It's your boy, the White Man Golden, and we are back. Brand new episode, ATF. And that is all things flying. In today's episode, man, you talk about taking an L and then coming back, recuperating and getting that W, snagging that victory out of the jaws of defeat. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about, but that's what we did right here, man. I tried to get these shoes earlier on a draw system on the sneakers app. Like always, I lose every draw system and damn near everything that happens on that sneaker app. But I did go holler at my old friends at GOAT app and was able to snag both of these, and I can't wait to show you them now. As you can tell, yeah, I'm holding it the wrong way because I don't want to quite let you know what it is yet. But I had to open up one already because I had to get a look at what it was. And the other one is still in this box. Now, we ain't going to talk about how this box is kind of beat up. The other side is way worse than this, but I ain't going to show you that side because it got my address on it and whatnot. But yeah, who cares, man? As long as we got what we needed, it don't really matter. But anyway, let's get into the one that's open already. Now, as we flip this box around, you will see that we have our Jumpman in the red with the gold across of it, so you know we got something special. And I might as well flip this like this and then flip that thing like that, and you will see that good old owl there, so you already know what we got. We have our OVO Jordan 8s. Now let me read you what the label says so we can check it out. And our label says we have a size 10.5 Jordan 8 Retro OVO. The retail price was $225. Of course, I didn't get to pay that, but whatever. Thanks a lot, sneakers app. And our colorway is black, metallic gold, and more black. Why do I read these, man? I have no idea, but let's check out what we got as we take that top off like so. Peel back that paper. Oh, before we peel back this paper, you will notice in some B-roll that it also has the OVO owl paired with the Jordan 23. Good touch right there. But anyway, as we peel back our paper, you will see our black and gold OVO 8. Now, like I said, I opened these already. I had to get a clear look at these. I wanted to know what I was getting, what I was waiting on. What the hell is that right there, dude? Every shoe gonna have its little flaws. I got a little piece of something sticking out. But anyway, let's check out our 8s. Now, one thing I will say is this reminds me a lot of the championship pack, champagne and confetti pack that I also have. Reminds me a lot of it, but I do like the leather on this one a lot better. It has that tumbled leather, that soft leather that makes you feel like you got something worth having there. You got your embossed 23 sign. I think these are wax laces, if I'm not mistaken. It feels like they're wax laces. You have your OVO owl on the back there and the metallic gold. Bottom comes with your gold and black pattern that you would see on anyone with the red Jumpman on it. I believe on the inside you will have your OVO owl as well. And I haven't checked the straps because like on the other one, the championship and cigar pack, the straps on the inside said something, so hopefully this doesn't let me down and it says something too, which it does let me down and it says nothing. But it's okay. It's okay, man. I'm glad to have these, man. I finally came up, man. I never went on these. My girl bought me a pair of OVOs about 2 years ago. She bought me the white 10s. Really love those. These do not really compare to those white 10s. They're probably still my favorite. Well, we don't know because I haven't opened the other one yet, but these are dope. These are our black pair. Now, let's see what we got in this box here. As always, for now and maybe for the foreseeable future, we have our mini screwdriver ready to open up some boxes, so let's get into it. And now that we have it open, as you can see, it's upside down. They have the address label on the top. Wasn't trying to show you that, but that gives you an idea of how messed up this box was, man. We have our, yes, you see it right there, the white OVO owl. Let's read this label real quick. I know I'm probably gonna regret it, but let's read it anyway. We have our size 10.5 Air Jordan 8 Retro OVO, retail $225, which you know I didn't get to pay that, with the white and the metallic gold and more white. Made in China, by the way. Fun fact. We have our GOAT stamp of approval on top. Let's take that guy off. Really thought that was gonna go smoother than that, but it did not. And we have our white box with the red Jumpman, gold metallic Jordan sign, with the air inside of it, which I did not notice until now. I like the touches they're doing on these boxes. I'm not gonna lie. It feels like you got something a little more special than the average. I'm not gonna lie, man. I really like it. I have actually not seen this one yet, so we're gonna take our first look together. So let's check it out. As we take off our box, you will see our GOAT card with our gold OVO owl and the 23. Our GOAT card is standard. Like I said last time, our goal is to be the most trusted marketplace for sneakers. We really hope you enjoy and thank you for your purchase. GOAT authentication by C. Don't know who C is, but I appreciate you all the same. And let's peel back this paper as we have our white OVO Jordan 8. Not gonna lie, my man, the white one is slightly better. Not by a whole lot, but it is slightly better. It's a cleaner look. I like the wax laces. You don't get the gold effect on these white wax laces, but you get kind of like a pearl effect on it, which I can appreciate. You got your standard size with your OVO owl, which I believe is the main piece on the back of it there. You know, your white and red is throughout it. It's pretty much the same. I don't know why this gold just seems to hit a little better to me. I may be tripping because this is my first look. Nothing is actually different. You replace the black with white, and what do you get? A home version. Now that I have both these in hand and I caught this dub after taking that L, this was a lot of hard work to go into this. Thank you, Go app. If anybody ever thinking about using the Go app, I recommend that you go use that app. It has been working out well for me, and I'm pretty sure it'll work out well for you. Now, I must say, I am really looking for that OVO and Jordan collab jacket that went with these. I don't care, white, black, it doesn't matter. I just want one of them, man. If anybody got those for not rate prices, hit your boy up. Yeah, and I'll take that off your hands. Anyway, it's been your boy Dwight Man Golden. Thanks for tuning in. As always, the slogan is GMG, we do what we do, and I am out.